Welcome back. If your Snapchat has been acting slow, freezing, or taking up too much space on your phone, clearing the cache can make a big difference. Don't worry, this is quick, safe, and won't delete your memories, chats, or saved data. Let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control everything on your device, including how apps store temporary data. Next, scroll down until you find Apps, or on some devices, it might say App Management. Tap on that to see a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for Snapchat in the list. You can scroll manually or use the search bar if your phone has one. Once you find it, tap on Snapchat to open its app settings. Here, you'll see several options related to the app. Go ahead and tap on Storage. This section shows how much space Snapchat is using on your device, including cached data. Now comes the important part. Tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that Snapchat has stored to help it run faster, but over time, these files can build up and actually slow things down.